Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Open Calendar in Outlook Desktop or Outlook on the web now. Once there, make sure you've selected the exact calendar that's currently shared. Shared calendars often show a sharing icon or name in the list. If you manage multiple accounts, verify the active account at the top so you don't change the wrong calendar. Now that you're on the right calendar, move to the sharing controls. On desktop, use Calendar Permissions or right-click. On the web, use Share or Settings to begin removing access. Once in Permissions or Sharing Settings, find the list of people or groups who have access. Click each entry and choose Remove or Revoke Access. This prevents further viewing or editing. Make sure to also check any default or anonymous access entries. Set default to None or Private so organization-wide visibility stops. If someone has editor or delegate rights, explicitly change their role to none rather than just lowering permission. After adjusting, save or done to commit changes so sharing stops immediately. To finish, verify that sharing is truly removed. Test with an alternate account or ask a previous recipient to refresh their calendar list. If they still see your calendar, make sure you save changes, then sign out and sign back in or clear the app/browser cache to force an update. If sharing is controlled by organization-wide policies or a delegate, contact your IT admin to revoke those settings. This is often the reason permissions reappear. One key troubleshooting tip: check for shared mailbox or group calendars you might be editing instead of your personal calendar.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.